Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up YouTube Kids with parental controls. And in here, first, if you don't have the app, you can just find the app first on the Play Store or App Store. Just find YouTube Kids, and here I've already downloaded the YouTube Kids. Okay, so this is the YouTube Kid apps. So here you can first click on the get started, and here in YouTube Kids you need to sign in with a parent's account. So let's click on this. Here you can sign in with your parent's account, or you can just select your account. For example, I'm going to use this. Just click on sign in button here, and then here you need to read the parental consent. So just read this informations, and after that you can just here enter your password. Okay, after you enter the password, just click on confirm. Now you can create a profile for your kids. Here you can add your kids first name. For example, here I'm going to just write my kid's name, for example. Then age, here choose the age of your child. For example, 2. Click on OK and go to the birth month. You can go in here, click on OK, and this is the required is age. Here you can also change the profile picture directly in here. Okay, I'm going to just go with this ones right here. Now click on next and after that, here you can choose the recommended settings, content settings. Here you can choose between preschool, younger, older, or approved content yourself. I'm going to just go with approved content yourself. So I can choose which content that I can show to my child. So my children, just click on select. After that, tap on start. Then in here, if you approve a content, you can just click on the plus in here, and it will be approved for your kids profile. Okay, this one, for example, learning. Okay, after you already choose, you can just click on done. Then just like that, your YouTube Kids has been set, also the profile. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.